Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. My name is Simon Ryan Alpetracorta and I am grade 11 St. Rita. My purpose on this video is to convey you on how important communication context is. Let's furthermore head back. Now here's the big question. When communicating with others, how do you make sure that you are able to convey your message effectively regardless of the context of communication you are in? So for me, when I am communicating with my friends or in a speech, they can understand it easily because my message has no misunderstanding because of my context of communication that I am using, like cultural context. An effective communication is when you are communicating with your friends or in a debate or speech, the listeners can understand it with no misunderstanding, or you have a straight communication with the listeners. Now we have four different types of context of communication. It has physical, social, psychological, and cultural. First we're going to discuss is physical.
Physical context refers to the relationship of environment and time that you are in. For example, these young ladies are very noisy outside, while in classroom or in school, they are very quiet and demure. The second to discuss is social context. Social context refers to the relationship of the communicators.
Good afternoon, sir. Can I ask a question about our assignment?
Sure. Now this example is a very good example of social context. When this young beautiful lady asks her assignment, she is very demure and calmly asking his teacher. In other hand,
Hey, Zura, can I ask you about our assignment again?
this is how she communicates with her friends than his teacher. The third topic is psychological context. Psychological context refers to the feelings or the mood of the communicators. For example, bro, do you have any assignments?
No!
This is a very good example of psychological context because when this young girl was stressed of her assignment and projects, while her kind friends or classmates approached her to ask more about the projects and assignments that the teachers have asked.
The final topic is the cultural context. The cultural context includes the beliefs and norms of the participant. For example, to avoid hurting their feelings, beliefs, and religious, avoid telling them how pork tastes because in their religion, pork is forbidden. So don't mention or anything about pork in Muslim. Now I have 3 tips or strategies that you should follow to make your message clear. First, speak clearly. Second, communicate clearly. And third, you should make your message understandable so the audience or listeners can understand your speech or what you're speaking. Therefore, it is important to be clear and effective on communication so where you're in a speech, debates, the listeners can understand it easily with no misunderstanding. So thank you for watching. My name is Simon Ryan L. Petracorta. Please like and subscribe on my channel.